Hello, today I'm gonna teach you how to set up StreamYard on your live stream. Okay, see you. Continue watching. I explain to you. See you. Good morning guys, this is C.SHIVLOGS. Today I wanna teach you how to use StreamYard on your live streaming. So let's go first to the Google and then we have to type StreamYard. Okay, StreamYard. And if you're already on StreamYard, you have to click that login. And then since you put already your email like that, okay, you have to click login. Okay, then you get code, 6 digits code. You have to put there. So since I have already that, so I have this one. So I log it in. Okay, so let's do this. I was there already. So since I've already account, so I have to make already my broadcast. Create broadcast. Click create broadcast. Okay, and then you have to search which kind of YouTube account you want to use that one. Okay, so I click C.SHIVLOGS because C.SHIVLOGS wanna do the LS. Okay, and then you have to put your title, join, on my LS. Let's for example, let's promote. Okay, and flex your channel. Since because this is a StreamYard, you can also flex the channels. Okay, so join my LS. Let's promote and flex your channels. Okay, in our description you can also put your for example, if you have subscription or whatever, so you can put in there. I can also edit that later. So I want to go to, or you can put also in your description this this LS, this live stream, for example, aim to help small YouTubers. Okay, and then public because you are going to live. So let's do it in public. Okay, then you have to wait. You have to wait so you can get that screen. So you have to test your screen, camera, your microphone, if it's okay. And then if it's okay, you can see the volume of your voice if it's okay. Then we have to click this one, enter broadcast studio. Okay, and then there you can see your photo is not yet visible, so you have to click that add to screen. Okay, you add to screen, and then you can choose also your background. Since I have this one on my back, I have already this one, or my background, so I can use that. So let's go to my background. Since I have a background, I want to use this as click the setting. Okay, click the setting, and then you have to click green screen or blue screen. Because I have a blue screen, so I have to choose blue. This one must be blue screen. And then you can add which background you want. If you want like this or another one, so it could be like that. So we have to adjust because my background is like that, so I have to adjust my screen like this. So I'm gonna be like this. It should be like that. Okay, should be like that. So look, it should be like that. So just upload your background. If you want more other backgrounds, you can upload by clicking this plus sign. Okay, and then you see ready that one. Okay, so if you're done on that, or if you're done with that, or you can adjust also the contrast of your face or of your background. So you can do like this. They click this one, the fade. You want a fade, you want a little bit like that, something like that. Okay, so you can adjust also your background. So your background is like that. So if it's okay, ready for you, then you can click it out. It's added already in your screen. Okay, so it's like that, guys, for those who wants to learn. And this one, you can click these banners if you want to put more. For example, you want to say welcome on my live stream. You can type the welcome on my live stream here, and then if you're done, you have to click save. Okay, and then you can click this one, show. You want to show, and it's coming on the screen. Okay, and then if you want to go to your private chat with your co-host, you can click this private chat. Then you can talk, or for example, if you're doing games and you wanna share them the answer of the correct answer, for example the Pinoy Hini or something like that, so you can type that on there. Okay, but if you wanna go to comment section for your guest or visitor or viewers, then you have to click in this side, the comment section. Okay, and then when you wanna go to share the screen, that is the problem for those people who don't know yet how to share the screen on StreamYard. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so let me show you this one. You can see this share screen. You just click the share screen, and then you can see in there you have to click this one, Chrome tab, if you wanna share this. What is threshold? But for example, this is on a YouTube account, so, or just like this, we have to click this one. I wanna share this, for example. So you go on that, see there is that screen or tabs that you wanna share. Okay, or for example, you don't want that, you wanna change, so you just click the stop. Okay, and then click another one. And if you want to go also to invite someone, you want to share that link to people, just copy this one, copy this link to your chat, and you have to put that one on your chat box, so that the people can come up or join on your live streaming. Okay, so yan po yun. So let's do like this. For example, I want to paste, so let's paste that, and then you can share that on your chat box, for example, like that. Okay, so we are still ready, so they can go up on the share or join on your screen already. Okay, and here also you can do like this if you want to for example, I want to go to share screen first, and then I want to share, for example, this StreamYard. Okay, StreamYard I want to share. So for example, so I go back to the bar tab, and then you see the whole screen of this StreamYard is coming up. But if you want only the half and they can see you, you have to click this one, so like that. But if you want to be smaller than that, so you can click this tab. Okay, by clicking this portion, you can also adjust also how many people or how many or how large is the screen for your flexing must be. Okay, and here also if you want too much people coming up or no, or just like that, okay, so they can come up. Okay, this is the best. Okay, if you're flexing the channel of other people. Okay, and if you want to leave the studio, you just click the X, leave. If you want to invite, just click the invite, and then you can get the link to drop like that, what I've done. So if you want to close or mute your sounds, you just click this one. Okay, okay, your mic is mute, or you want to put it back, and then you want to close your camera, so you are out of the camera, out of the screen, and your profile picture must go. Okay, so like that. And we are going to start because C.SHIVLOGS wanna go to live stream already. So I hope you learn a lot from me, guys. And this one I wanna teach also this one. If you want to change the color of this screen, you want to change the color of this words in that screen, you can click here also. Click here, and then you can choose, like if you click orange, so gonna be orange, or if I click green, gonna be green. Okay, so it's green already. So I want to choose, for example, the pink, so pink, and then you just select that. Okay, and then video clips like this. What is this? It's new. This one, this is different one. So if you want video clips on your live stream, you can use that one also. Look at that. So your mic is muted, so they cannot hear you anyway. So it's just a testing, guys. Okay, so that is it. So it's only video clips. So the background I have already, because I use the background, so I have already background at my back. So we're gonna close that one, and then here also, that's the colors, so it's good. Finish. And if you wanna put that audio, camera, or general, something like that, or guest something, you just click here on your settings. So that's all for today, guys. So I wanna click the go live, and so I on live already, so I have to click. Then if you're already done with all what you want to do, then you have to click already live, so you can go live, that everybody can see you. Okay, so it's gonna be live. I'm live. Look at that, I'm live. So okay, guys, I hope you learned a lot. And yes, I can see already that people come come and visit me already. So here, this portion, I want to put my ads. Since I am monetized channel, I can also put my ads using another tabs of YouTube while you are on StreamYard. Okay, ads. Okay, so let's wait. I go to my videos, and then since it's very so slow, and guys, just click the live because I'm on live. So if you're on live, you have to click the live. But if you're in uploaded video, you have to go to upload. Okay, since I'm on live, I wanna put on the $sign of my live stream, so I have to click this dollar button. So it's gray because it's not yet on. So but I am live already, so I have to put on this one. Yes, you can see the on, so I have to put on and then save. Yes, okay, but now I'm going to edit first this one because I don't have thumbnail. Okay, I forgot the thumbnail, so I have to put the thumbnail also. If you like, let me help you also how to put thumbnail. This part I have to put here thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail, click this one to put thumbnail. Okay, and now let's select the C1. Okay, so put the thumbnail, and then it was here already, and then save. Okay, so I have already thumbnail, so I'm going back. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you learned a lot. So I'm gonna start already my live streaming, so I hope to see you again, and thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a lot from my tutorial, and hope to see you again on my next tutorial. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.